Alright, getting ready to make our first stand of the morning. I'll show y'all what our plan is right quick. We located coyotes right over the top of this hill. We're just gonna hop out of the truck, top that hill. As soon as we top it, we're gonna sit down. We got the coyotes located off the back side of the other side of the hill, and we're gonna try to call them up to us. Wind's coming out of the west, so it's blowing right back into our base. Yeah, so that's why we're coming in from this side. We would actually rather come in from the other side. It's set up a little better, but wind ain't gonna allow it, so we're gonna try to do it from this side. There's gonna be a crop field on top of that hill, and we're gonna have to cross it. And as soon as we get across the top of it and start just break over the lip, we'll get set up. So I'll be back with y'all in just a second. First stand of the morning. Wouldn't you know it, things don't go as planned. As we top the hill, we notice coyotes to our north, different coyotes than the ones we had intentions of setting up on, which changes our plans and forces us to set down immediately, making our setup less than ideal. If we're gonna call, we need to hurry up and do it, boy. Only a couple of minutes into the stand, we have one of the located coyotes to our west pop over the hill, but it picks us out and is gone before I can get the camera on it. We swap over to a fight sound called MFK Pound Town, hoping to draw one of the coyotes back in, and sure enough, a coyote from the north heads our way, but drops below the lip of the hill on the downwind side before offering a shot, which makes our already bad setup even worse. Coyote way out front, out front. About the time we think this stand is a complete bust, Jamie notices a coyote coming in from our southwest. I quickly get the call back on to a sound called MFK Woods Rat. Maybe we'll be able to salvage this stand after all.
be honest, man, this ain't my setup right here. I was shaking. And I was so scared I was gonna miss that guy.
Well, you smoked him. Good shot. Well, first stand of the morning.
Corn husking coyote down, baby.
That's right. Nebraska. See, it's wide open stuff out of your element.
Yeah, man, it's really been it's been different. It's been a challenge. I don't know, you just got to adapt and overcome, I guess, and keep pressing on.
These pine thicket boys don't like this wide open country.
Man, well, I guess if drag that thing up, or we can walk out there to it. That might be easier to walk out there.
We don't need to take him with us, do we?
No, I don't want to take him with me.
We can leave him right where he lays.
That's right.
We'll drag him to the edge of the field.
We'll walk over and check him out.
Big too. Oh, thick female. Look at that fur, man. They ain't furred like that in the south.
Pretty suckers, ain't they?
That's Nebraska coyote.
Mr. Stephen Davis.
Pretty one, baby. That's all right.
Shoot ya. On the board. So that's how it played out. If y'all want to get any of the sounds, go to the website, mfkgamecause.com. And if you want to see us doing more killing in Nebraska, Arkansas, South Carolina, Virginia, all over, everywhere, Tennessee, just subscribe to the channel. We'll kill them everywhere and show you how we do it. Appreciate y'all watching.
Glad
We're going to go.
had the rifle. We
Yeah.
both carrying shotguns. He did bring a rifle. We planned on hunting a thicket, and then we wound up in the middle of a wide open cornfield.
Yeah, I mean, you can see forever right here.
You know, this ain't my setup, but I was pretty nervous about making a shot off that bog pod. But it worked out. I got a bullet in it, and
Yep,
y'all
you
ain't
smoked
mad
it.
at me.
But anyway, y'all check our stuff out. We appreciate y'all watching. We're going to get another one now. Come with us.